Alam nyo, naiintindihan ko na kung bakit maraming tao ang gustong tumakas sa mundo ng pinagkakaabalahan nila araw-araw. Pumupunta sa mga lugar na kung saan sariwang hangin ang kanilang malalanghap. Pumupunta sa mga lugar na pwede nilang panandali ang makalimutan ng pagod, makapagpahinga at malibang ang isipan. Hindi ko hilig na gumala sa mga bakanteng oras o araw na meron ako. Madalas nauubos sa mga walang kwentang bagay. One time inakita ko ng kapatid ko na puntahan namin tong lugar na to. Dito ko na-realize na ito pala yung pahinga na kailangan ng katawan at isip natin, hindi ang teknolohiya. Oo, pagod ako physically nung ginawa ko to. Pero hindi nito matutumbasan yung mga nawalang negative energy. Worth it lahat ng pawis na pumapatak. Totoo pala na kalikasan ng natural na lunas sa nakakapagod na hamon ng buhay. Magpapahinga pero hindi susuko. Sabay-sabay nating harapin ang mga pagsubok na pwede pang magpatatag sa atin. Balikan mo lang lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay kapag nauubos ka na ng sistema. Huwag mong kakalimutan yung sarili mo dahil hindi tayo nabuhay sa mundo para ubusin ang oras sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho. Tuloy-tuloy lang hanggang sa marating natin yung buhay na gusto natin. Tara, samahan niyo ako na akyatin natin ang Maulawin Forest.
There's no need to pump the brakes. I see our future, let's run out and take all it has in store. I've never wanted something more than what's here in front of us.
Tulad ng hanging bridge na to, may katapusan at natawid natin ang maayos. Habang nabubuhay tayo, maraming pwedeng dumating na problema. Pero hindi bibigay ng taas yan kung hindi natin kayang lampasan.
See the finish line waiting up ahead. It's you and I cross it together, holding hands. Ready, set, go, baby, time is wasting. But you and I get to making everything we want come true. Got one life and it's me and you, girl.
Sana kasing tatag at tibay ng punong ito ang pananaw natin sa buhay. Na kahit anong unos niyang dumaan, nananatiling nakatayo at hindi nabubuwal.
It's alright here, baby, just believe that you and I were meant to walk this road. So ready, set, go to the pawn shop, buy you a ring, down to the courthouse, sign what's needed, so you and I can go start living life. Are you ready? Ready, set, go, baby.
Hindi masamang magpahinga, lahat tayo may karapatan makaramdam ng pagod. Ang mahalaga, pinagpapatuloy mo kung ano man yung nasimulan mo.
We got only one life and it's me and you, girl. No need to hesitate now. All we need will work itself out, just you wait.
Eto na, narating na natin. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang sarap ng hangin.
Believe that you and I were meant to walk this road. Yeah, you and I were meant to walk this road. So ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Girl, I wanna get swept away. Kiss your sweet lips every day, over and over again. Find a love that'll never end and have a few kids, settle down. Find a spot on the edge of town, sit on that porch swing. Living life just you and me, girl, riding that edge, chasing that sun, doing time. Taking on the world, leaving no prisoners like Bonnie and Clyde. Ready, set, go, baby, time is wasting. But you and I get to making everything we want come true. Got one life and it's me and you, girl. No need to hesitate. all the needle work gets
Eto na, pabalik na tayo pero hindi tayo dadaan kung saan tayo dumaan kanina. Parang sa buhay, kailangan natin ng maraming karanasan para marami tayong matutunan.
meant to walk this road. So ready, set, go. There's no need to pump the brakes. I see our future. Let's run out and take all it has in store. I've never wanted something more than what's here in front of us. Two crazy kids that can't get enough of a dream waiting to come true. Let's make it happen, see it through. I can see the finish line waiting up ahead.
Thank you po Lord, nagawa namin ng maayos at ligtas. Stay safe everyone and God bless.